Hello everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty and I'm back with a new video. I will be using my pom-poms, 3 packages of this nautical cord, this little wooden bunny that I cut from its stand off from Dollar Tree, and also this Dollar Tree garden pad. I have these little eggs from Hobby Lobby and various ribbons from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm just going to start out by taking the foam pad and the little wooden bunny, and I'm going to trace him out onto the foam pad. We're going to cut him out from this and make a very pretty wreath. Thank you to everyone joining me today for this video. This is my last video for the Easter season, so I hope you enjoy it. I only have 2 projects to show you today because the third one I lost. Don't know where that footage went. I'm in the process of using some new editing equipment that I have never used, or editing software, and it has been a test to say the least. So we're just gonna get through it as best we can. Please bear with me. Now that I've got the bunny cut out, I'm taking a baby wipe and I'm cleaning up all of the black paint marker along the edge. I'm now going to take my purple grosgrain ribbon and I'm going to attach it to the edge of the bunny, just around the edge of the entire bunny, trying not to use too much hot glue because you don't want it to seep out. The cleanup for that is way too much. It sticks to the foam. It's hard to get off. Ask me how I know. So now I'm going to take this ribbon from Walmart and make a simple bow. Just going to make one loop for either side, pinch it in the middle, tie it with the jute, and then we're going to stick it onto the back of the bunny's neck. Going to have to hold it for a little while because the hot glue takes a minute to set up on this foam for some reason. So you have to hold everything down until it starts to solidify. Going to put the little bunny tail on right there in the middle because it's going to give me better placement for the bow. And I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm going to take this wired wreath and wrap it with the nautical cord. And then I'll take my bunny and add glue to the back of it and hot glue it to the wreath. And here I have my pom-pom garland, which was easy to dismember or dismantle, however you want to put it. All I had to do was untie one of the ends and all of the little pom-poms slipped right off. And that was so easy. I was grateful for that. I thought I was going to have to cut each one loose, but I didn't have to. So I'm just using some hot glue to attach these to the bottom and up around the side of this wreath. And I went ahead and added in some of those speckled eggs as well. Now I'm taking the cording that I used, or that I had from the pom-poms. I'm going to use that to make my banner. I took 6 pieces of ribbon, 2 of each color, cut in 3-inch lengths. I dovetailed each end, and now I'm just wrapping them over the cording, trying to make sure that I add the glue at the bottom so that I can still move the ribbon if I need to. I wrote the word Easter onto my pieces of ribbon, and I'm just going to attach it to my wreath using a little bit of hot glue and wrapping it around the back to get it in place. I made a jute hanger, and this was done. How cute is that? And here is finished DIY number 1. It came out super cute. It is my favorite of the 2 that I'm going to show you. And I had to make 2 of those bunnies. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy, but I made a pink one just to sit on its own. So pretty. I hope you guys like it. Moving on to DIY number 2. I have one of the long boards from Dollar Tree, some jute cord, my apple barrel in sunny yellow and cotton, blue cotton. I have a paint marker, some pink and white polka dot ribbon, and I think that's all we're going to need. I'm going to just take this little bunny off of the sign, put it to the side because we will be using it in this DIY, and we're going to make some tags. Tags are simple and easy to do, and I love making them for every occasion, for every season. They're just cute to have around. So I'm going to take this sign and sand down the area where the staples were and add in a little bit of spackle. Going to let that dry and then sand it down. Now I'm taking my X-Acto knife and cutting the sign in half so that I get 2 tags from one sign. Going to trim it up. And then you'll see that I'm going to cut the corners off of each one of these pieces so that I can get the tag sign look that I'm going for. Now I'm going to take my blue cotton. One of the tags will be painted in it, and the other tag will be painted in the sunny yellow. I am taking my white paint marker and my ruler and just drawing a line, not exactly in the middle, but close. That's going to give me somewhere to set my bunny. I'm going to take my ruler and draw a pencil line, and I want to write the word Happy Easter. I had to wait to see what I was writing because I forgot. Now I'll take my white paint marker and go over it in the white lettering. And now we'll place our bunny back. Just using some hot glue to get this glued down. Going to take my awl and punch a hole in the top. Then I'm going to take a screwdriver and make that hole bigger. That I didn't do on camera. Taking my yellow paint marker and just going around the top of that tag to make it look like the grommet that you sometimes see at the top of a tag. So that's why I did it. Took my ruler on this second one that I've painted in the sunny yellow and drew 2 lines so that I can write Every Bunny Welcome. And just going to go over that with the same white paint marker. And I'm doing my little cleanup with the eraser, just getting rid of those lines. And now that that's done, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to punch a hole at the top, and then I'm going to go around that hole in the color blue. Thank you to everyone joining me today for this video. Thank you for bearing with me as I learn new editing software. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for choosing D's Cute and Crafty. And thank you to all of my old subscribers for coming back. I felt like this yellow sign needed a little something more, so I grabbed two of the little styrofoam carrots from Dollar Tree and placed them on the sign. I'm going around the edge in my gator sander, or with my gator sander, and I'm just going to rough it up a little bit. I'll add the jute cord to the holes at the top. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it in. Well, I added the nautical cord, and I'm going to wrap it with the jute cord because I didn't want to tie it in a knot. These are adorable. I'm going to take that pink polka dot ribbon, make a bow for each one, and these are done. You can hang them on a doorknob. You can lean them up against your tiered tray if you have a larger tiered tray, or you can just use them as leaners in your decor. There's so many options that you could use these for, and I think they're really cute. I will be hanging mine on my doorknob in my kitchen. If you want them to be staggered, then of course you will have a longer nautical cord for one than you do for the other. And then you can hang them both together, and they'll hang at different heights, and that will be so pretty. So you guys, here is the final reveal of the two DIYs that I was able to show you on camera. You will see the bunny butt wreath or door sign um, that got lost. The footage, I have no idea where it went, but I had already filmed the reveal, and somehow, I don't know, I have the reveal, but I don't have the footage for the sign. So you'll see that sign in this reveal. And I'm sorry that it got lost, but it was cute too. And out of all three of them, the bunny wreath with all of the little pom-poms on it is my favorite. Please don't forget to comment down below. As always, let me know which one's your favorite of the three that you see in the reveal today. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up to let YouTube know that you're enjoying my content so that they share me out so others can enjoy it as well, and it helps my channel grow. Once again, thank you to everybody for clicking on this video. You guys are amazing, and I'm so blessed and happy to have you here. As always, you guys, until I see you on my next one, be blessed, stay safe, and craft something beautiful today. Bye.